Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get back archive list on Trello. So first of all, open up your web browser and then log into your Trello account. On your Trello account, you have to open the board of which you want to unarchive any list. So now on your board, let's first of all archive any list. So for example, I will be archiving this. So to archive anything, you have to click on these three dots. Then click on archive this list. So now as you can see, the list is vanished from my board, and even if I reload my application, it won't show me that list. So now if you want to get back your archive list, you have to click on these three dots that are present at the right side of your screen. Then tap on archived items. Now you have to click on switch to list. Now on the list, you will see all of your items that are archived in your Trello. So you have to click on send to board, and now as you can see, I have easily unarchived my list on Trello. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.